Hello everyone, if you are trying to build an app and every agency quoting you from $10,000 to $50,000 without telling you what you will exactly get, then listen up. Because most offers in this space are vague, expensive and built to trap you in a long development cycles. And today I'm going to show you how we build an MVP that actually converts in 30 days or less without burning your budget. Here is what happened. 90% of the time, you approach the development company with an idea, they give you code based on the hours, and you have no idea what is being to be built and how long it will take or what version 1 even looks like. 6 months later, you still debugging with the login screen, and the worst of all, the market has moved on, or you build something that users even don't want. A great offer in any industry is specific, outcome driven and low risk. And here is what we do differently. You will get a working MVP in 30 days or less. We use modular and proven components. You will get designed mockups, timelines and go-to-market plan before we write even a single line of a code. It's a fixed scope, fixed price and zero complications. Think of it, you are ordering a custom-built Tesla, not inventing an engine from scratch. Let me explain you one example. One of our clients came to us within a coaching platform idea. They were stuck, burned $50,000 already within another development agency. We took over, stripped down their bloating, used our internal UI kits and frameworks and launched their MVP in just 27 days. And can you imagine, in the first week, they got 1200 signups. And week 2, paid subscriptions started rolling in. That's the power of clear offer and a predictable system. If you got an app idea and don't want to waste your time and money, then use this free calculator that is built by our team with a lot of expertise. This calculator will give you a clear roadmap, what kind of features you have required and what the actual cost that is required to build that MVP. Just click on the link below to the calculator, calculate how much cost it will take to build an MVP.